Burger King. Chicken and waffles. Yes. That is funny though. Outside. Sun a shine and the place a freeze. Baby, want to move here? No way. No.
Let's move.
It's too cold. Sorry, not good. Not at all. Can't manage the coldness. Love it heat. Hot.
You try new things, yes?
From Orlando, so we're really happy you waited for us because we're going home. If you reach your row, if you could kindly step out of that center aisle as quickly as possible, that would allow passengers seated further behind to pass by you. Larger bags will fit in these bins, wheels, or handles first. Take a quick
quick look around your seat and make sure you have everything you brought on board. We invite you to visit delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta and this Orlando-based crew, thank you again for sharing your journey with us. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you again soon.